Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are higher. Beans up anywhere from 13 to 14 cents. Corn up 4 and wheat up 5. Dollars lower. Most commodities are higher. Some people blame the higher price action due to Chinese stimulus package that's offering support to commodities. USDA estimated that corn harvest was about 39% done. This is below some of the trade expectations. Corn yields in the dry area is still coming in below what the farmer was hoping for, and that's offering some support into the cash market. In the beans, 22% of the crop is harvested. That's in line with expectations, and we're still hearing higher bean yields in the Northwest. The interesting thing there is most commercials could see an increase of anywhere from 50 to 75 million bushels to the USDA's crop estimate, but demand could also go higher. We saw where China actually came in and bought Canadian beans yesterday. So the higher demand could offset the higher crop, and once harvest is done, if farmers stop selling, we could see a bounce still in the bean market. Over in the wheat, we're watching conflicting news out of Russia. The ag minister says there will be no export ban, but prices for flour inside Russia continue to move higher, putting more pressure on the Russians maybe to slow their exports out of the Black Sea. We have a report on Friday. It's going to be the September 1 stocks numbers and final wheat production number. I think a lot of people will be focusing on the corn and bean stocks. You've got an average guess on corn stocks from 880 to 1260. The government's at 1181. Usually these report is very volatile as far as price. The lower number would be sharply higher. The higher number would be sharply lower. Beans, the government estimates the carry out and step 1 stocks at 130, but some people are as high as 145 due to a bigger crop. We also are noting that open interest in the beans isn't changing despite some spec long liquidation. Some people think that traders are gearing up for the big fund roll. Maybe as much as 100,000 contracts over the next 3 weeks will be moved out of the nearby Nove contract to deferred contracts. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
The Fed does QE3. I think there will be some concerns about Fed independence, but how to address that? And clearly, the Fed really wants to be perceived as independent and doing the right thing each month or each meeting when they go. So my view is the Fed really